So you need the human then.
Definitely. Without humans, you cannot do a lot of things. You cannot creatively think कि उसके अंदर क्या चीजें हो सकती हैं. So creativity is a part that will remain with the humans. And what I feel in future, the only skill that a human need is something कि आप उसको differently कैसे सोच सकते हैं.
So इसमें I will add to that. देखें वो कहते हैं they call them black swan events in the financial world कि वो event जो पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. 2008 का जो हाउसिंग क्राइसिस आया था जिसको द ग्रेट रिसेशन कहते हैं, उससे पहले कभी भी घरों की वैल्यू दुनिया में अमेरिका में इस तरह कभी नहीं गिरी थी. ठीक है ना. कभी भी सितंबर 11th 2001 से पहले कभी भी ऐसा वाकया नहीं पेश आया कि बिल्डिंग्स को टावर्स में मार के गिराया जाए. ऐसे दिस वाज
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है,
राइट,
फर्स्ट टाइम.
अच्छा, इसी तरह देयर इज न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब जो गिरा था. देयर वाज नेवर अ न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब दैट डेसिमेटेड 2 cities, राइट?
ट्रू.
So there have been these black swan events over time. Large language models for AI all depend on existing data, right? Stuff that has happened. Black swan events have happened. These black swan events that have not happened, that depends on human creativity.
True.
The question is, can an AI thinking bot that functions like this, can it create a black swan event if it's running off of only pre-existing data sets? Can it create a new data point that, let's say, a human could have created? Can it create that kind of a data point using its prior sort of knowledge base?
I think with some extent it can, but it cannot predict the actual timeline, and like there is it has a lot of complex answer क्योंकि कुछ चीजें बिल्कुल नई तरीके से हुई हैं. There are number of possibility कि plane could hit the building. This is the possibility from the initial phases as well कि अगर high rise होंगी, that's why we don't build high rise buildings, दूर रखते हैं airports and सारी चीजें. So there was a possibility, somebody thought about it. So जो चीज possibility
में है. So that's the question. So can the AI create that possibility that,
yes,
what if we do this?
Yes, exactly. It can. But eventually कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स हैं जैसे कोविड एक ऐसा इवेंट था जो probably नाइव थे लोग, पता नहीं था क्या होगा कैसे होगा. सो देयर वर नो इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल, कैसे प्रिवेंट करना है, क्या हो सकता है. सो वो वाली चीजें जो है ना आप एआई के थ्रू नहीं कर पाएंगे.
एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. इन द 1700s 1600s के दौरान एक ट्यूलिप का एक बूम आया था. द डच बेसिकली एक ट्यूलिप के अंदर एक डिजीज आई थी that made the tulip look very unique and very different, and at one point in time the values of tulip, the flower which is going to die in a few days, was greater than the value of gold.
Oh wow.
Right? Now logically that makes absolutely no sense. Why would a flower be more valuable than gold? And this is studied in economic theory and everything. Could an AI bot predict or create a situation like that? Because logically it makes no sense for a flower to be more valuable than gold, even though knowing that flower will die in 5 days, and it's a diseased flower.
So that's again human involvement is really important to that. So AI जब तक काम नहीं करेगा, जब तक आप उसको कुछ prompts नहीं देंगे,
Correct.
जब तक आप उसको train उस तरह से नहीं करेंगे, so probably the human who is giving the prompt has the knowledge कि वो क्या create करना चाहता है. So again, this is the creativity of human, not the AI. AI can assist him or her to lead in that position कि वो कैसे हो सकता है, but human is the one who think about something कि अच्छा ये ऐसे होगा, and I want to take AI into that direction. So being seeing AI as a like counterpart of human is a wrong theory, what I believe. You should see AI as a tool. आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, आपको शायद 10 साल लगते करने में, वो आप certain कम टाइम के अंदर अचीव कर लेंगे. So that's the only primary goal for AI, and that is what the AI will be helping people in every field.
Got it. This was fascinating, Anas. Thank you so much for taking out the time, for bringing these here to expand my horizons and my learning and my understanding of the subject. I think what you're doing is phenomenal work. I think, and the fact that you're doing it at such a cost-effective price, I mean, power to you, yaar. And if there's any way that we can be helpful to create that awareness, because I think wo sabse bada jo ek missing component hai, awareness ka hai. We're here to assist and help. And best of luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me, and it was a great having conversation, because we also miss this kind of conversation, because यहाँ पे the kind of content is really difficult to find कि हम अपनी knowledge maximum लोगों को transfer कर सकें.
नहीं बिल्कुल से हम बैठे भी इसीलिए हैं यहाँ पे.